Hey everyone, today I'm checking out the Zhiyun Crane M3S, a compact 3-axle gimbal that promises professional stabilization in a super small body. It's designed for mirrorless cameras, action cam, and even smartphone. Let's unbox it, see what's inside, and test how smooth the foliage really looks. This mini description. Yeah, made in China, but it's fine. Okay. Alright, let's open it up. It's like mini Cybertruck. Instruction, stickers. The first things we see is the carrying case. It looks pretty solid and lightweight. Inside, everything is nearly organized. We have got a gimbal itself. It's a mini tripod. These few cables are different cameras. This charger and this adapter for smartphone. It's pretty good. I really like how impact it all feels. It's definitely travel friendly. Okay. Let's test it. This quick release plate. It's just open up. All right. Need open here. Here. And here. for smartphones, quick release point. It's need to install right there. Alright. Okay, power on. Now stabilization. Okay, check it out. It's like sensor. Follow, below, go, vortex. You need the pen follow. Balance setting, auto stabilization, parameter setting, parameter reset, control wheel set, trigger, blue shutter. Okay. Light. It's need to press and hold on. Yeah. And now, can element station. It's down. It's up. And this like a color. Oh. Color. It's like warm. And cold. 400,000, it's okay. Okay. Now we put on stabilization. Here we go.
Yeah, it's working. It's not. Wait, just lock. Lock is on focusing. It's right here. Yeah, very good. Follow. And rotation.
Yeah. It's like vertical. Yeah, very good. Okay. Okay. Try for white. Alright. Is it like 100%? No, 50 and 10. And now we can, for color, it's like warm. And we can cold. Yeah. It's traveling, it's okay. It's like set up. 3 cable, 1 charging cable, tripod, manual, and 3 XL gimbal. Yeah. Okay, see you soon.